We've all been there, on a deadline, trying to make a sale, close a deal. You're fumbling with paperwork, trying to negotiate back and forth over email, on the phone, in person. The disorganization distracts from client needs. Then you're left waiting while they're downloading, printing, signing, scanning, losing versions, losing your mind while waiting for the signature. You're giving them a lot of time to rethink. We work to solve that problem. I'm Jennifer Riggins, and I'm here today to introduce you to PandaDoc, a tablet and web-based app that allows you to send, track, negotiate, and sign documents on the go, fast and easy. How exactly does PandaDoc work? It's simple. Upload a document from your hard drive, Google Drive, Dropbox, anywhere, or simply hold your tablet or iPad over a printed doc and take a picture. Then add the recipients. Next, drag and drop signature and annotation widgets anywhere within the document. Go ahead and add payment forms, hyperlinks, videos, anything you'd like. Once you hit send, a unique encrypted link will be emailed to each recipient. Then you receive an email as soon as each person opens the document and if they've signed or annotated anything. It's a breeze. Each signee can accept, comment on, and sign the document with a legally binding signature in a second. Our subscriber audience is basically limitless because it's perfect for anyone who uses documents that involve multiple people or fast turnaround. The e-signature market will reach about $350 million this year. That's just e-signature. PandaDoc does a whole lot more. In this mobile world, we're gearing PandaDoc first toward tablet users. We're particularly focused on the base we already know and love, sales teams. So many companies have given their sales teams iPads, but without proper implementation, they've become bonuses, not real sales tools. iPads and tablets are amazing tools to help you close sales. Don't give customers a chance to rethink again. Instead, walk them through the contract right there on that mobile device you're already lugging around with you, and then capture that e-signature while you've still got their attention. But that's not the only way we'll reel them in. Many client relationship managers and other software are great at what they do, but the one piece they're missing is document processing. PandaDoc can be easily built into an existing SaaS. These integrations will fulfill client needs, while it will allow us to grow our client base rapidly. We believe PandaDoc is the necessary step in streamlining and organizing the document process right there in the cloud. Since every business, every country, and every e-signature law is different, we're focused on building a platform with maximum customization, flexibility, and particularly mobility. And we know what we're doing. We started out with the similar Quote Roller business proposal app 2 years ago, and we now have more than 10,000 subscribers in more than 100 different countries. From 2 Belarusian co-founders, we've grown to more than 20 people worldwide. We created PandaDoc based on the market demand to do what we do, but with all kinds of documents. Right now, we're looking for investors to help us grow our product so we can quickly develop native iPad and tablet apps. We're also looking for CRMs and accounting software and other integration partners who could benefit from including PandaDoc in their system. And we're in public beta, so we're looking for people like you. We need folks like you to go to pandadoc.com today and start making document processing easy and, dare I say, fun again. Thank you.